friends, welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and on this channel I like to share all my tips and tricks on how I lost 205 pounds without surgery and how you can be successful on your own weight loss journey. So if that's what you're looking for, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more videos like this one to inspire you to get started. It is day 18 of my reverse diet, and as you can see from this morning's scale numbers, it's gonna get worse before it gets better. Yay! Am I super excited about it? No, actually, no, I am not. And these are the reasons right here that normally I would panic and think, well, it's not working. Obviously, I can still gain weight when I'm eating less than 1,500 calories. Yesterday was my first 1450 day, and while I really enjoyed the food, seeing the scale go up like that when it's not supposed to is a little stressful. But I'm just making bank on it being one of a few things. Number one, I have been exercising and stressing my body out more, and I always retain water when I do that. I am sore, so it's probably that. That's probably it. Number two, I am eating more food volume. So, I mean, that could be part of it, though honestly, I have not had as many issues in that area, if that makes sense. Just suffice it to say, things are more active down below than they were on the lower calories, which is normal for me. And number three, just a weird fluke, because it's not the first time it's happened to me. And while it is annoying, I still am not making bank on it until I hit the end of this cycle, which is at least a week and a half, 2 weeks away. So we are not panicking yet, but it's taken a toll on my psyche a little bit. I mean, I didn't think I'd go up any more than I already have. And even though I did do a lot of exercise yesterday, I really didn't think it would affect the scale because it was already up. But, you know, things happen to me all the time that are not explainable. And the only thing that has ever worked and will ever work is consistency and patience. So I will carry on, and we'll see you guys in a little while. What's with the thing on your arm? Are you going to get in trouble? Yeah. Are you supposed to have that? What? Are you supposed to have that? He vented?
He vented.
Why does it say that? It's not even a full sentence.
He vented.
Actually, he vented is a full sentence. What am I saying? As the subject and a predicate. But why? Why did he vent?
To get away.
You know you're going to get in trouble for that, right?
Why?
I don't think you're allowed tattoos or writing on your arms. Alrighty then. Alright, got laundry folded, got the kids out of bed, got dressed, got a shower. Now heading out to take care of the ladies. And the gentleman, sorry chic, I didn't mean to be offensive. Chick, 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 chickies, chicks. Hello, Snow Queen. Hello, pretty girl. How you doing? Hi, Plum. Hey, Doxy Dots. Hey, Pepper, you laid an egg, didn't you, big girl? All right, I'll feed you. Alrighty guys, it is 2 o'clock. I literally feel like I'm starving. I've been so hungry since about noon, but we've been too busy for me to make anything, and it took forever. And now I finally made my food, and it's pretty pitiful. So let me show you what I ended up with. I tried to do a custard today, and it did not work. So I'm starting to think, hearing what you guys are saying about the custard not working, and I will tell you this. I think the reason it didn't work is because I tried adding lemonade Mio and I had already added a squirt of my sweetener. I think it was just too much liquid. So maybe if I had had 3 eggs, it probably would have been fine. But I thought of the Mio after and I added a big dose of it and that was a mistake. So it's gonna be a lemon half soup, half egg thing that's probably gonna be gross, but I'm gonna eat it anyway because I don't like to waste food. And then the rest of my food looks good. I'm having 30 grams of center cut bacon and my little mini caprese salad, basically with 88 grams of tomato and 60 grams of mozzarella cheese, and then 3 sugar-free jellos, and that is going to be my first meal of the day. I forgot to take my Solé at lunch, so it is now 3:20 and I'm taking my second dose. Alright, it's time to head out to the dance studio. We have Ruby has clogging, Eloise has tumbling and clogging, and I have clogging. So, that'll be fun. No. Or snacks. Oops. 5:30, and I am gonna have 3 of these and 1 of these and Quest bar. Woo-woo. Oh my goodness, that class was killer hard tonight. I am still worn out from the squats and my contemporary class that I did earlier. And oh my gosh, I could hardly keep up tonight. It was rough. But we made it through, and now I'm home. It is a little after 9 o'clock p.m., and I am about to have my last meal, so I am going to show you that. Oh, and I didn't show it, but I did drink a serving of Solé water, 2 tablespoons in a big bottle of water during my clogging class. So that was number 3. And then this is going to be my last meal of the day. So tonight I am having green chili casserole. This is 155 grams of cauliflower rice, 6 ounces of 93.7 ground beef, 40 ounces of onion, 2 tablespoons of canned green chilies, 2 ounces of Las Palmas green chili enchilada sauce, and 2 ounces of cheddar cheese, I think. Guys, I'm really, really tired. I think that the macros are right on that, what I just said, but I will suffice it to say that I know I tracked it all, and they've made this according to my macros. I hit exactly 1,450 calories today. Pretty sure I hit about 150 protein, 70 fat, and 21-ish carbs, something like that. If I remember correctly, I have to go back in and look. But that's where I'm sitting. I've been doing really great, going exactly, practically on the number when it comes to calories. So woot for me. Now I'm just going to relax, eat this, and try and motivate myself to edit a video for you guys. I really don't want to, but I'm going to try. Alrighty guys, I'm about to hit my last dose of Solé and take my vitamins, my magnesium, and my ritual vitamins, which are almost gone, but I have another one. And then I'm going to bed. So I just wanted to say goodnight and see you in the morning. And I hope everything is going great for you guys. It was a good day.